Ohayo kininayo.
Babasa tayo.
No. I just want to greet my husband. Happy.
Oh, now you remember.
Happy ukininana, my loves.
Thanks, babe. I love.
Oh, I love you too very much. What do you want for a gift?
Happy wife.
Pabor.
Other than that, lots of expensive gifts, please.
Expensive gifts. You know that I'm proudly Kuripot.
Yeah, but
I am Ilocana, loves.
But I'm
I know. You're expensive.
expensive.
I can't afford it. Sorry.
I like expensive things.
What to do?
Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do?
Nothing. Just ordinary day, loves.
Oh, ordinary day, baby.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how we celebrate.
No way. I have a surprise.
Hey, surprise! Oh yeah, you have a gift for me.
I do have a gift for you. Yeah, I have a gift.
Yeah, nowadays.
On my birthday, I have to give my wife a gift.
Of course. Enjoy your day, loves, with your beautiful wife.
Okay, Nana.
Kinda.